What's going on, guys? So I'm going to do a quick little video on AMD. AMD, not a bad day today, up $3.50 and also up 3.5% on the day. Reason why I'm choosing this stock for this video is just to the sheer fact that I was already looking at this stock, getting ready to go into next week. Good little 3-day rally, 2-day rally on some stocks and across the board. Definitely something that the bulls needed to do, and I think for everyone's kind of mental state going into the long weekend, anytime stocks are green, people feel a lot better. I do want to point something out, okay? And I'm not a Debbie Downer. I'm not a bear. I'm none of that. I'm a full-time options day trader. I'm a realist. I'm going to treat my money with a level of respect that I think everyone else needs to treat their money with a level of respect. With that being said, I see a lot of people calling for the bottom. I see a lot of people that were, last week saying that we were going lower. People, the masses, right? The majority of your retail traders is going to get, they're going to, when things are bad, they're saying we're going lower. When things are good, all of a sudden we're not going any lower. Let's just look at a macro view, okay? Let's just look at a macro view. Coming off all-time highs on AMD, 164.46, okay? Then we had our first little drop. Well, here's a lower high, okay? Well, here's our second drop. Here's a lower high. Here's another drop. Here's a lower high. Here's another drop. Here's a lower high. Here's another drop, and here's a pop and distribution, and here's a lower high. What is the point that I'm trying to make? The last 6 months, 7 months on AMD, we've had down moves followed by aggressive rallies. We've had a down move followed by an aggressive rally. We've had a down move followed by an aggressive rally. A down move followed by an aggressive rally. A down move followed by an aggressive rally, and aggressive rally. So what is the point that I'm trying to make? Okay, this should be very, very easy to kind of put this into context. AMD, as well as all other stocks, are not out of the woods until they get their asses back over the 200-day moving average and then back test and then build over, okay? That is what it is. Whether you want to hear that or not, that is what the hell it is, okay? All of these are feel-good rallies, but they're just dead cat bounces. We're still underneath macro supply. It needs to get over this channel and this 200-day moving average. Now, to the bulls case, this is the first close over the 50-day moving average in about a couple of weeks. The last time we closed over the 50-day moving average was on the 17th of May, and the bulls absolutely fumbled the ball and had no idea what to do with it afterwards, and we went on another down pop. So if they cannot build over this 102.30 and get us into 104, 105 and into 106, they will drop the ball again, and we could be looking at another leg down, like we looked at another leg down here. And then we looked at another leg down here, and then here, and then here. Now, could this be a rounding bottom, and now we start to do something like this, right? Absolutely. But it's too early to call that. So what we need to do is play the daily levels. Any kind of breakout over today's highs does have room to run into 106 and then 109. Those would be two areas, especially if you're swinging something, to kind of take some profits on that. Over 109 has room to 117. Over 109 has room to 117 and 117 to 120. And over 120 starts our macro trade to the long side. Okay. Ultimately, that's where we want to get back over 120. Now, if we do get rejected on some kind of blow off top here and start with another leg down here, one of the areas you'll be looking to short will be the 50-day moving average. Every time we've tested and lost the 50-day moving average, we start another macro downturn. Test, lose, downturn. Okay, test, downturn. Test, downturn. Test, reclaim, downturn. Okay, drop to the 50-day moving average. Pop, lose the 50-day moving average, big downturn, okay? So keep that in mind. As we come up to this 50-day moving average and reclaimed it, let's look for a continuation, but take it one day at a time. One day at a time. It doesn't mean that the show, to the downside is over. Definitely does not mean that. If we lose the 50-day moving average on AMD or any stock that can reclaim, I think AMD is one of the first to do it, right? If I just kind of take a look at Tesla's 50-day moving average is not even until 900. If I take a look at the triple Qs, our 50-day moving average on the whole index is not even until 328, okay? If I look at AMD, or NVIDIA, it's not even until 215. So a lot of stocks have a lot of room to work. Apple, 160. Most of these stocks have not even reclaimed the 50-day moving average. Now, AMD held up relatively well in the downturn. And yes, it's been beaten up, but it held its 50-day moving average a lot better than the rest of them, right? So as we reclaim this 50-day moving average, do we potentially have room on another week to 2 week, 3 week rally? The last time, we had a nice rally. I think the rally lasted about 3 weeks last time. Was very, very good, and it came here coming off of a bottom. Like if you can see, consolidation, 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 boom. And this was a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 day rally before another downturn. So this is an almost 3 week rally before another downturn. You can see here, consolidate, 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 boom. Could we be looking at another 2 to 3 week rally? Now, if we're looking at another 2 to 3 week rally, we would be looking at 106, 109, 117, and 120 before the next boom, bigger downturn. If we just start to get rejected now in rug pull, then we would be looking for any loss of the 50-day moving average of $99 down to 95 to 93, 92, and then anything below 92 to 84. I hope this level helps you. Enjoy your nice long weekend, guys. This was a well-deserved kind of week for the Bulls. I think everyone, myself included, needed that feel-good feeling. I feel like every day I come in and I'm just looking for shorts. Felt kind of good to get back on the long side of things today. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also join that Discord, and the link is also link for all my stuff is down in the description. And I'll see you guys all next time.